ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ద సిస్టమాటిక్ అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఇన్ వేరియస్ ఎనర్జీ లెవెల్స్. ద సిస్టమాటిక్ distribution or arrangement of electrons in various energy levels, that is in orbitals and orbits, that is called electronic configuration. This electronic configuration are three types. First one is suppose hydrogen atomic number 1 configuration is 1s1, carbon atomic number 6 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Suppose neon atomic number 10 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Phosphorus 15 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Like this up to 30, up to atomic number 30, you can write the electronic configuration of various elements. For example, manganese 25, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5. Cobalt 27, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d7. Whereas copper, chromium 24, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d5. Copper 27, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d10. This chromium and copper electrons are right in 4s orbital is only one, remaining electrons are adjusted in the 3d orbital. First of all, we remember one formula, that is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d. This is the important formula to write the electronic configuration. 1s after 2s, 2p, after 3s, 3p, after that 4s, 3d. S orbital, maximum number of s orbital that is s orbital only 2, p orbital 6. Why p orbital consists of 6 electron means p consists of 3 degenerate px, py, pz. Each orbital 2 electrons, so 3 into 2, 6 electrons. D orbital that is 10. It consists of 5 degenerate dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. These are the 5 degenerate, so 5 into 2, 10 electrons. F orbital means 7 degenerate orbitals, so 7 into 2, 14 electrons. We can first fill up the lowest energy level. Lowest energy level means that is 1s. In that 1s, maximum number of electrons 2, so available level is only 1, so we can write 1s1. Carbon atomic number 6. 6 means 6 electrons are present, so we can write the electrons 1s completely 2. After that 2s orbital. S orbital means any s orbital 2 electrons, so 4 electrons are adjusted. Remaining 2 electrons, next one is 2p2. In this way you can write the electron configuration of all elements, but you can remember up to 30 only. What about these two, chromium and copper? This consists of 4s orbital only 1 electron, remaining 3D. This will be explained later by understanding the Oppo principle and Pauli's exclusive principle. Okay, second method is by writing the inert gas configuration. For example, helium atomic number 2, neon atomic number 10, argon atomic number 18. By writing these configurations, we can write the electronic configuration of all elements. Here hydrogen atomic number 1, that is as it is, no change. Carbon atomic number 6 means you can write below 6 is helium. So you can write helium means 1s already completed, 2s2, 2p2. Instead of 1s2 we write helium. Next one is neon. Neon means atomic number 10. 10 below inert gas is helium. So you can write helium as it is, 2s2, 2p6. Next one is phosphorus 15. Phosphorus 15 means 15 below inert gas, nearest inert gas is neon. So you can write neon. Neon means 10 electrons already filled. Sub to this 10 electrons are already filled. Remaining is 3s2, 3p3. Okay, next one is manganese 25. 25 means 25 below argon. Argon, right? 18 electrons. Distribution is already over. Remaining 4s2, 3d5. The next one is cobalt 27, that is argon, 4s2, 3d7. Chromium 24 below inert gas is argon, right? Argon, 4s1, 3d5. And copper 29, argon, 4s1, 3d10. This is the second method. Copper 29, argon, 4s1, 3d10. Okay, third one is, this is the second method. In the second method, how to write the electron configuration, that is as it is in the first method, but instead of electronic configuration we write the nearest noble gas. So in this carbon atomic number 6 nearest below the inert gas is helium. So you write the helium, remaining configuration you can write. In the same way, neon 10 below inert gas is helium. So you write helium, remaining configuration 2s2, 2p6. Suppose phosphorus atomic number 15 below nearest inert gas is neon. You can write the neon, remaining configuration is 3s2, 3p3. Manganese 25 near inert gas is argon below. So write argon 18 electrons already filled, remaining configuration you can write. In the same way, we can write the cobalt, chromium and copper. Copper atomic number is 29, argon 4s1, 3d2. Okay, next one is third method. Third method is valence configuration. You can write the valence configuration. What is meant by valence configuration? Valence electrons or valence configuration, separate definitions are there. Valence electrons means the electrons present in the outermost orbit are called valence electrons. Valence configuration means the electronic configuration of the outermost orbit. So what is how to write the valence configuration of different elements? For example, hydrogen atomic number 1, the configuration is 1s1. General electronic configuration is 1s1. Valence configuration also same 1s1. 3 methods, hydrogen is 1 as it is. In the same way, helium atomic number 2, this also 1s2. There is no change for these two elements. Next one is, suppose you take carbon atomic number 6. You can in the second method you write helium and configuration, but in this remove the inert gas. The configuration is 2s2, 2p2. That is the valence configuration. Suppose neon 10 below inert gas is helium. To remove the remaining the configuration, that is 2s2, 2p6. Phosphorus 15 15 below unit gas is neon. So 10 electrons are removed, remaining 5 is the valence. That is 3s2 3p3. 3s2 3p3. Manganese 25. 25 below unit gas is argon, 18 removed, remaining is 4s2 3d5. Cobalt 27. 4s2 3d7. Chromium 24. 4s1 3d5. Copper 29. 4s1 3d10. This is the valence configuration. First one is electronic configuration by using the formula 1s, 2s2p, 3s3p, 4s3p. Maximum number of electrons s orbital, any s orbital, 2 only, 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, 4s2, 5s2 like that. Any p orbital, maximum number of electrons 6. D orbital, maximum number of electrons 10. By using this method only we can write the configuration. In the second method, same type of first, but instead of configuration write the nearest inert gas symbol, after that remaining configuration. Third one is remove the inert gas, remaining configuration right, that is the valence configuration. See, what is the correct meaning of valence configuration? For example, phosphorus 15. Configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. This is the correct configuration. Here 1s means first orbit is K. 2s 2p, this is the second orbit name is L. 3s 3p3, this is the third orbit name is M. So K L M. First orbit is 1s. This 1 indicates number of orbit, principal quantum number, that is K. Next shell is 2. 2 means 2s 2p. Second shell consists of 2 orbitals, 2s and 2p. So second shell is L. Third one is M. And the orbit near the nucleus is K. Second shell is L. Far away from the nucleus is M. So this is the outermost electrons or outermost orbit. This configuration is called valence configuration. How many valence electrons in the phosphorus? Valence electrons. Here, valence electrons in phosphorus is 5. How to write 5? Atomic number 15. 15 minus inert gas. Nearest inert gas is neon. So 15 minus 10, 5. 5 valence electrons. Valence configuration. Valence configuration means the configuration of the last orbit. Here in this last orbit is M shell. So 3s2, 3p3. Otherwise, you can follow this method. This is the electron configuration to write all the elements. It is I am not explaining up to 1 to 30. By using this method, you can write 1 to 30 elements electron configuration in three methods. Okay, next one is Aufbau principle. What is Aufbau principle? The scientist Aufbau explained that electrons are enters into the orbital whose energy is least. Electrons occupies the orbital whose energy is least. That is the Aufbau principle. Electrons occupies the orbital whose energy is least. That is a Aufbau principle. For example, hydrogen atomic number 1, configuration is 1s1. Atomic number 1 means it consists of only one electron. Here configuration is 1s1. So many orbitals are there, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, like this. We cannot fill the electrons in other orbitals. We can write the configuration in this 1s only. Why? 1s is the least energy level compared to the remaining orbitals. That is the Aufbau principle. Aufbau principle means electron occupies the orbital whose energy is least. Another important definition is electron occupies the orbital, that is in terms of quantum numbers, whose n plus L value is less. This is the second definition. Electron occupies the orbital whose n plus L value is less. For example, scandium. Scandium atomic number 21. Atomic number 21 means we can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d, 3d1. So up to this 20 electrons we can fill. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 means 10. 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 means total 20 electrons can be filled in various orbitals like this in the same day. Here 3d, after that 4p. 21st electron goes into either 3d or 4p. You have to calculate this. 3d, 4p. N plus L value. N means principal quantum number. Here 3d. In this 3d, N value is 3. In this 4p, N value is 4. What about L value? L value means already you know L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 0 means s orbital, 1 means p orbital, 2 means d orbital, 3 means f orbital, and so on. So L value D means for D, what is the value of L? 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Next, L value for p orbital. P orbital is 1. 4 plus 1, 5. So by comparing these two, okay, this is not suitable example. Okay. Lithium, no need to write this. Lithium atomic number 3, 1s2, 2s, 2p. 2 electrons are already filled in the 1s. Third electron goes into either 2s or 2p. Write the 2s and 2p. N plus L value. So that is 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. By comparing this 2s and 2p, N plus L value of 2s is less compared to the 2p. So third electron goes into 2s but not 2p. This is the second definition. Here Abbo principle second definition is electron occupies the orbital whose N plus L value is less. By taking example lithium atomic number 3, 1s2. Third, that means 2 electrons already filled. Third electron goes into either 2s or 2p. By calculating N plus L value of 2s and 2p, 2s N plus L value is less than 2p. So third electron goes into 2s but not 2p. Okay, third definition, if two orbitals have the same N plus L value, then electron occupies whose N value is less. Suppose two orbitals have the same N plus L value, then electron occupies the orbital whose N value is less. For example, recently we explained that scandium atomic number 21, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Up to this 20 electrons are filled. The 21st is 4p or 3d. Either 4p or 3d. You calculate that 4p and 3d. 4p, 3d. n plus L value. Here n value of 4p is 4, 3D is 3. L value for 3p, for 4p, p value 1, 5. 3D is 2, 5. By comparing these two, 4p and 3D, n plus L value is same for both orbitals. For both orbitals, n plus L value is same, but n value is less for 3D. So 21st electron goes into 3D but not 4p. This is the third definition. What is the third definition means? If two orbitals have the same n plus L value, then electron occupies orbital whose n value is less. For example, scandium, atomic number 21. 21 electrons are distributed in various orbitals. Up to 20 we can write here. 21st electron goes into either 3D or 4p, calculating by this formula. In this 3D, n value is less. Both n plus L value is same, but 3D n value is less. So 21st electron goes into 3D but not 4. This is the above principle.